Delhi NCR is one of India's most active wholesale and distribution hubs. From the dense wholesale markets of Azadpur and Sada Bazar to the industrial estates of Bawana, Wazirpur, Okla, and Kundli, thousands of businesses move enormous volumes of goods every single day. Behind every pallet, every consignment, and every dispatch note is a packaging decision that either protects those goods or exposes them to damage, delay, and financial loss. This guide explains how corrugated boxes work as the backbone of wholesale and distribution operations, and why sourcing them correctly matters more than most business owners realize. Wholesale and distribution businesses across Delhi NCR require corrugated boxes in high volumes, consistent quality, and reliable supply. The right packaging supplier reduces per unit cost, minimizes damage in transit losses, and ensures operations never stall due to packaging shortages. ASPV Industries is located in Mangolpuri and supplies across all major Delhi NCR industrial and wholesale zones. Wholesale and distribution businesses operate on tight margins and high volumes. Unlike retail, where one item is sold at a time, wholesale involves moving hundreds or thousands of units per consignment. At that scale, packaging decisions multiply. A 2% damage rate on 5,000 units means 100 damaged products per dispatch, and the cost cascades fast. Inconsistent box quality means variable protection, unpredictable returns, and unhappy downstream buyers. Packaging shortages halt dispatch lines and delay payments across the entire chain. Poor packaging increases stacking risk in trucks and warehouses, compounding damage rates over time. Bulk packaging that is too heavy adds to per shipment freight costs at scale. ASPV Industries is based in Mangolpuri Industrial Area Phase 2, New Delhi, and supplies corrugated boxes across Delhi, NCR's most active commercial and industrial zones. Azadpur Mandi, one of Asia's largest wholesale markets for fruits and vegetables. Very high volume corrugated demand for produce, packaging, and redistribution. Sada Bazar, India's largest wholesale market for general goods, stationery, toys, FMCG, hardware, and packaging materials. Bawana Industrial Estate, a major manufacturing hub, auto components, plastics, metals, textiles, and industrial goods. Wazirpur Industrial Area, steel, hardware, and electrical goods, manufacturing, and distribution zone. Okla Industrial Area, FMCG, pharma, garments, and electronics distribution, one of Delhi's busiest industrial belts. Lawrence Road Industrial Area, food grain, spices, and agri commodity processing and wholesale. Kundli Industrial Area, Haryana, border manufacturing zone with strong demand for packaging materials across multiple sectors. Rai Industrial Area, Sonipat, fast growing Haryana Industrial Corridor, electronics, FMCG, and general goods manufacturing. Narela Industrial Estate, North Delhi Manufacturing Zone, food processing, textiles, and packaging production. Mangolpuri Industrial Area, ASPV Industries Home Zone, direct supply available with shortest possible lead times. The right specification depends on the product category and supply chain structure. Here is a practical guide by wholesale sector. FMCG and grocery, 3 ply or 5 ply, with volume pricing and moisture resistance. Electronics distribution, 5 ply always for fragility protection and stacking strength. Hardware and metals, 5 ply for heavy load capacity and compression resistance. Pharma wholesale, 5 ply for regulatory compliance, moisture, and fragility. Garments and textiles, 3 ply for lightweight, cost efficient at high volume. Auto parts, 5 ply for heavy and oily parts, long haul transit. Food and agri commodities, 3 ply or 5 ply for moisture resistance and bulk volume. For wholesale and distribution businesses that move high volumes, bulk box procurement offers measurable cost advantages. per unit cost falls significantly as order size increases. The difference between 50 units and 500 units can be 30 to 40% per box at comparable specifications. Consistent supply means dispatch lines never stall waiting for packaging to arrive. Single supplier relationships simplify procurement, reduce paperwork, and build supply reliability. Flat pack delivery keeps warehouse space usage efficient. Corrugated boxes arrive flat and are erected at point of use. Repeat orders from a known supplier ensure consistent quality rather than variable quality from multiple sources. For businesses operating in Delhi NCR, sourcing from a local manufacturer like ASPV Industries offers practical advantages over sourcing from distant suppliers. Faster replenishment with same day or next day delivery within Delhi NCR versus multi day freight from out of state suppliers. Lower freight cost with local delivery being significantly cheaper than interstate logistics on bulk box orders. Freshly manufactured boxes made to order mean no aged stock that has absorbed moisture or weakened during long distance transit. Easier quality resolution as the local supplier is accessible and accountable in ways a distant one is not. Shorter custom lead times as local manufacturers can accommodate custom sizes and print specifications with faster turnaround. The Kundli Manizar Palwal KMP corridor and the Rai Sonipat industrial zone have seen significant manufacturing growth over the last decade. Businesses in these areas benefit from proximity to Delhi's wholesale markets for supply chain integration, access to national highway networks for pan India distribution, lower real estate costs enabling larger warehousing and bulk stock holding. ASPV Industries supplies corrugated boxes to manufacturers and distributors in Gundli, Rai, and the broader Sonipat industrial belt, with reliable delivery timelines given the short distance from Mangalpuri.